Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is clearly in some kind of a correction. It's not a major pullback. We're still holding way above key support. Or actually, we are in micro support at the moment on the smaller time frame. We're going to take a look at that in a minute. For anybody who's new on the channel, this is the overall wave count for ADA on the daily chart, where we had a 5-wave move to the upside into the March highs, a 3-wave corrective pullback into the August lows. The price turned around in our support zone and is now possibly rallying in a 3rd wave. The targets for the 3rd wave, talking about this 3rd wave, which again subdivides ideally into a 5-wave structure. Not entirely clear yet how the microstructures are going to unfold, but I'm just saying what would be ideal, and that would be a move up in 5 waves again, as you can see there in the white microstructure. But so that could mean that we're currently moving, and it will depend on Bitcoin to a degree, of course. You can see that the altcoins are currently very sensitive to Bitcoin. So that has to do with Bitcoin dominance, right? Someone asked me yesterday, what are the altcoins going to do when Bitcoin pulls back? And the answer is always it depends on sentiment at that point. We can only look at the charts and add support and understand what the trend is and the pattern and then the risk levels, but it does depend to a degree on Bitcoin, but it also depends to a degree on Bitcoin dominance, because if Bitcoin dominance is going up, which it still is, then in case of any dips or consolidations on Bitcoin's chart, the altcoins are suffering a bit more. Yeah, so they're just more sensitive. And it's the other way around if Bitcoin dominance goes down, but at the moment it's going up. Okay, so it's unchanged. Okay, that's unchanged. We don't have a major top. We haven't broken any key support on Bitcoin dominance, if you follow my Bitcoin dominance charts as well. So that's why ADA is suffering a bit here, but it's rallied quite a bit as well. News event that was triggered by a news event, but also the chart was ready. We had a setup. So all I'm saying is we're now likely in a 4th wave internally, some kind of a 4th wave. I'm tracking that. Maybe even an internal 4th wave, and we haven't even started this wave degree 4th wave. But we see that on the smaller time frame. This is the smaller time frame where we're in an internal 4th wave, probably within that C wave of 3 before that larger 4th I just showed you is starting. In yesterday's update, I shared with you a target area. So we have for this 4th wave here, before one more high, we have a support area between 46 cents and 55.7. With altcoins, be very much aware that if levels break support or if charts break support, it's difficult, because then it can very easily go much more bearish, right? I'm sharing these levels not without reason. So 46 cents, it's a 50% retracement of that 3rd wave. I mean, if that level breaks, there's one more level, 42.3, but I'm telling you that if that breaks as well, because that would be already for the larger 4th, something different is likely going on. So we've got a nice ABC structure now. It might just need one more low, maybe in this internal C wave. And again, 46 cents is next support, 50.2 cents. And then I added this blue Fibonacci target area, which is for the internal C wave of wave 4. And we're dealing with a very small wave degree here, but still the price has kind of followed now the forecast to reach target. And I'm just watching for a reversal. Okay, it's not confirmed yet, hasn't happened yet, but that's the idea. Okay, we have a 3-wave move down into support. And a break above 59 cents would be a first indication we've bottomed in 4. And a break above 65.7, a break above the B wave high, would be better evidence. And then I'm watching for one more high to possibly test the March highs around 78 to 80 cents. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.